What's going on, guys? It's your boy George, back with another video. Quick video this time. We're doing a review on the Aime Dore New Balance. And I know it took a while to make this video. I wanted just to let the hype die down and all these memes and everything about this shoe. I just want to wait a little bit and go ahead and just talk to you guys about this shoe and see what you guys think and get your guys' opinion on it. So let's go ahead and jump in and take a closer detailed look, and as well as an on-foot look on these. All right, guys, let's go ahead and take a closer look and unbox these New Balance Aime Dore 550s. So I got the green colorway here. They did release in 4 other colorways in gray, navy, red, and green. The red pair was the only pair that was offered at global retailers around the world. Every other colorway was specific to Aime Dore, and they're the only ones that got those colorways. New Balance is planning on releasing more pairs of 550s in several colorways. There's 2 colorways that just announced literally today when I made this video. They released like a royal blue pair and the red pair that looks almost exactly like the Aime Dore New Balance. So I got these in a size 10. I do recommend sizing down on these guys. They do run a little bit big. A half size down and they fit perfect for me. If you have a wider foot, I say you should go to your true size, but if you have a skinny foot like me, I think going a half size down is pretty good. Let's go ahead and open it. Oh, nice. Very nice. All right, let me take these out and we'll jump back into it right now. All right, here we go, guys. So we got an all white leather upper up here up top. We also have the green 550 logo right here. You have the New Balance logo right here, which is also like a green leather, but it's almost like textured. It almost looks like animal print on it. And you have the green leather patch right here on the heel. You have the Aime Dore New York logo right here on the left shoe, and on the right shoe you have the New Balance logo, and that goes for the same for the inside of the shoes as well. And then on the midsole we have a nice cream midsole, and the bottom we have a nice forest green, dark green outsole, and it's just pretty cool looking there. And the tongue right here, we got a Aime Dore 550 New Balance logo right there. And looks to see like it's a apple turned into a basketball right there on the logo, which is pretty cool. This shoe did come with 2 extra pairs of laces, so 3 in total. So we got a green pair, cream pair, as well as a white pair. And the insoles that actually come with the shoe is a Ortholite comfort foam insoles, which is very comfortable, guys. I tried them on and it feels amazing. Like, it really feels good. I did not think it would be this comfortable on a shoe that was based off of like from the 80s, but New Balance like really made it comfortable with that insole. So let's go ahead and jump into a on foot look of these, and I'll show you guys what they look like on feet. Alright, guys, what did you think of this shoe? Do you think it's overhyped? Is this shoe a meme now? Are you going to go ahead and pick up a pair of the general release versions when they come out? Are you going to go ahead and pay resale for these? Let me know in the comments down below. And as always, guys, can you go ahead and please leave a like on this video, as well as subscribe to the channel, and go ahead and click that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one, and have a good one. Peace.